Hairball. Nice.
Today, I'm making cornhole boards. Let me show you how we did it. You know, when I first saw these flex grip things, I kind of thought that they were a gimmick. I was wrong. Without using those to hold down, when I push over here on the side, like as if I were drawing some sort of line, it's easy for the T-square to get off track. When we put just a little bit of pressure on those flex grips, when we do the same motion, it stays nice and straight. It also helps as you're sliding the rule. So that way when you're drawing your line, you know it's gonna go exactly where you want it, every time. Kickback monitoring turned on, I don't have to worry about this big 6-inch hole saw breaking my wrist. It stops it completely. This one's looking great, but in order to play cornhole, I need another one of these. Nice, it worked. Normally, I'd already have finish on these. These are actually for a friend who's gonna be wrapping them in vinyl. But something simple, like a water-based polyurethane, would be a great finish for these. But first, we gotta test them out before we take them out of the shop. Airball. Nice. First try. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you love this type of content, be sure to subscribe right over here and click right over here for more great videos.